This is just a natural way to get rid of those fine lines, to remove those wrinkles, deep wrinkles, light wrinkles, neck wrinkles. Very effective. Plus, this remedy will as well help to brighten your skin, keep your skin glowing naturally. Hello everyone, you're welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you, just like the title says, this is something that this lady made use of. It worked for her. Many people have been making use of this treatment and it has been working so well. You can give it a trial, you see it for yourself. Just few ingredients you can find in the kitchen will give you a perfect result. With consistency, of course. In case you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. I share beauty tips on this channel, anti-aging, healthy drinks that will help to nourish you from the inside out, to regain your sight. Just like the last video I shared, will help you greatly to regain your sight, and also like this treatment will help greatly to make you achieve a perfect skin with no side effects, purely natural. Your skin will be even, your skin will be naturally beautiful. So consider subscribing if you love remedies like this, natural remedies. Also share this video, also like this video. Let's go. So I'll be making use of Vaseline, just like the title, mixing with turmeric. You will see a good job. Like, this is for all skin types and complexion. Go on and get yours. So the first ingredient I mixed in here, you can see from the color, is turmeric. Turmeric glows the skin. Turmeric brightens the skin. Turmeric helps to minimize sunburn. Turmeric contains antioxidant that helps to fight free radical damage that makes you age faster. Like, with consistency, you see those fine lines getting rid of gradually, and it works. So try to get turmeric powder. The next ingredient you have to think of is yogurt. So in case you don't have yogurt, you can get milk powder or liquid milk. Yogurt contains lactic acid and other powerful enzymes that clarifies the skin. It helps to give your skin that flawless look. Also, yogurt will help to nourish your skin, to treat acne, dark spots, controls aging signs by firming the skin. It helps to firm saggy skin. And with other ingredients, it works to get rid of them naturally with no side effect. So you just have to be consistent to get perfect result. So the next one, which is also very important, is rice flour or rice powder. You can get it from the supermarket. This is something that nourishes your skin. Rice flour or rice powder helps to get rid of dead skin cells. When there are no dead skin cells on your skin, you will notice a clearer look. Your skin will look so beautiful, glowing, so clear and natural. So try to use rice flour. In case you don't have rice flour or rice powder, you can just get oat powder. So they are all the same, but I prefer rice powder when it comes to removing fine lines and wrinkles. Like, it's just for all skin types and complexion. Rice flour helps to firm the skin by tightening loose skin. If you apply it, you notice that tighter look. Like, your skin will feel tighter until you rinse it out. With consistency, you notice that your skin will be well placed. Your skin will look more younger. Rice powder also brightens the skin, even out your skin. In case you have uneven skin tone, it will help you greatly. So the next one is Vaseline. So I'll be telling you when to apply this. Just continue watching. So the last one is egg. So we're going to make use of egg white, which is responsible for the firming a loose skin. Like, if you have dangling loose skin, it will help you greatly. If you have eye wrinkle, fine lines, like, this is something that works greatly. You have to break it open. Of course, I will tell you how to make use of it. All right, so this is the time to tell you the measurements and how to prepare this remedy. So what I made use of is 1 tablespoon of rice flour. Then I added a pinch of turmeric. So in case you want to lighten, like brighten further, increase the quantity of turmeric and you will love it. In case you have sunburn, add more turmeric powder. It will help to clear it out. In case you have dark under eye circle, you can increase the turmeric. So I added a pinch of turmeric and I'm all good. So the next one is yogurt. I added 1 full tablespoon of my yogurt. Then I went ahead to add, I broke the egg open. I separated the egg white from the egg yolk. The egg yolk is that yellow part of the egg. That is the egg yolk. If you have severe dry skin, add the egg yolk. egg yolk helps to moisturize the skin, also help to glow the skin and keeping the skin younger. But the one responsible for firming the skin, getting rid of fine lines, is mainly the egg white. So you can decide to make use of the two or add only the egg white. So you have to be very careful when separating it. Transfer the egg white into the bowl. Mix thoroughly. Just mix and mix. If the treatment is thick, you have to add either rose water for mixing little by little. If the treatment is watery, you have to increase the quantity of rice flour to thicken it. Like, you need your remedy not to be watery and you don't want it to be thick. So just make it normal. Alright, so when you are done mixing, it's time to wash off all dirt from your face by using a cleanser or a very good soap, facial soap. Please avoid making use of your body soap on your face, even if the soap for the body is stated face and body. Do not make use of it on your face because it can cause premature aging. Like, you will not like the result. Buy the one that is mainly for the face and get the one mainly for the body, because there are some ingredients which may not suit the facial skin. Some people, they have sensitive skin on their face while their body part is very okay. Like, so you don't want to use what you're applying on the skin on your body for the facial skin, because they are not the same thing. I've washed my skin using cleanser, a gentle cleanser and a clean water before. So I'm just doing it now so that, you know, demonstrating how to make use of this treatment. Make sure you wash off all makeup so that this treatment will be able to penetrate and work better. So without wasting time, I'm going to apply right now, just upwardly. Remember, if you have fine lines or you are treating fine lines, apply this remedy around this area. Okay. If you are treating sunburn, go on and apply it around where you have sunburn. Sunburn is usually around here. Some people's own is very dark, while some people's own are stone red. It depends. Okay. If you have dark under eye circle, apply it under your eye. Like, if you do this every day or every other day, you notice that your dark under eye will fade away, and you have to be careful what is causing those sunburn and dark under eye. If your facial cream is causing it or responsible for it, you have to stop. So just apply. Okay. Okay, so just go on and apply anywhere you want on your neck. Like, this remedy is also for the skin, for the body part. If you want, just increase the quantity of all these ingredients, and it's going to be more to apply all over your body. So apply it and leave it on for 15-20 minutes. You will notice that the remedy will dry and feel tighter, and it's time to wash it out. So leave it for 15-20 minutes, wash it out, and I'm going to do so. I'll be right back. Just make sure you rinse it out using only water, or you can use a cleanser to wash it out. In case you have severe dry skin, you can decide to add few drops of rosehip oil, any good oil of your choice, into the remedy, or you can just decide to make it the way I just made it. When rinsing it out, please rub it like this on a running water, because the treatment is very exfoliating. It will help you to make those black hairs, some dark spots to get rid of, and also to get rid of dead skin cells, giving you a fresh look. So with consistency, you see those fine lines removing, you know, you'll be looking more youthful. Your face will feel tighter and younger. Repeat this treatment 3 times weekly or twice weekly for best result. You can make use of it at night before you go to bed, or you can make use of it in the morning before you go out. Anyone. Rinse it out and apply your Vaseline. Yes, you will not mix turmeric with this together. You just have to use the facial mask with turmeric and go with this as a moisturizer after washing it out. So apply a little goes a long way. Vaseline is very good for the skin, especially when it comes to moisturizing, helping to moisturize, locking moisture into the skin, okay, and prevent severe dry skin. It helps to glow the skin. It helps to nourish and make you look younger. I love Vaseline a lot, especially the lips. Before you go to bed, it's very important to apply Vaseline on your lip. It helps to soften, smoothen, and make the lips very attractive. So just make it as a moisturizer before you go to bed or when staying at home. Everything is not applying makeup. It's not really good to be applying makeup all the time. Sometimes allow your skin to breathe. Okay, so go on and follow the instructions if you love your skin. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, also share this video to everyone. I will see you in my next video. Check out this video as well if you love it as well. Thank you.